For us, it starts with the strategy of where do you want to be, and we're very fortunate because we are large. We do have, the best way to describe it to you is like a model. And so if, let's just make it up, let's say Mario is a franchisee and he's got an area that he is committed to developing, we can actually work with Mario and tell him, here's where you need to be at the corner of Main and Main. So we literally can go to the extent, now I can't find the real estate, that doesn't mean there is available property at Main and Main, and so we may have to take a B site instead of an A site, but if there's good branding and consumers like it, it can work. I would suggest we don't always find an A site, not in this day and age, it's just not possible. I would even go so far as to say franchisees have found C sites, but if there's word of mouth and it's there's a lot of factors that go into it. I also would think nowadays, because we have filled out a lot of what I'll call the metropolitan areas, you may end up in smaller towns, and for us it's all about first in. So if there are 4 other, let's take Applebee's, if there are 4 other casual dining restaurants in a small town, probably not going to go there. Or what you're going to do is you're going to end up splitting up, 60,000 in average unit volume amongst 4 guys, which doesn't make any sense. And the same is true for family dining. If you're the 4th person in, I'm talking about a small town. Small town to us is maybe 30,000 in population, 40,000 in population. Probably not going to go there because you're just going to divide that average unit volume amongst the 3 or 4 of you. But in major metropolitan areas, let's use New York, where there is opportunity. Then it's more about finding, from a modeling perspective, what makes the best sense, where to go. And it's still back to exactly what these guys are talking about. Got to get the financing, got to get the developer to work with you, got to get money back for whether it's growth. Is it a sale leaseback? Is it build to suit? I mean, you're still in the same exact issues, just on a larger scale.